SideKix pairs established business owners with new builders, creating an authentic community where advising is a meaningful relationship, not just a quick transaction. Think of it less like working a transactional customer service desk and way more like being the veteran coach in a rookie's corner, making sure nobody has to build their business alone. So let's dive into how this actually works. First, we're solving real business challenges. SideKix matches users directly to your specific background, keeping conversations super relevant. You'll tackle familiar hurdles, figuring out a pricing model, navigating a first hire, or simply finding the confidence to keep going. Now, you might be thinking, look, I don't have time to answer random questions all day. But the platform curates these matches so your exact experience acts as their perfect shortcut. Second, let's talk about the value to you and the community. You completely set your own availability and choose the businesses you help, all while joining an awesome network of fellow operators. Plus, advising helps you stay sharp. It's literally a mental gym where solving fresh problems keeps your own entrepreneurial skills finely tuned. And staying sharp today directly fuels the lasting footprint you leave behind. Finally, it's about creating a true legacy. Unlike platforms where the impact vanishes after a quick call, SideKix relationships are totally authentic. We all know that amazing moment it clicks for a founder. So what actually happens when your session ends? On SideKix, the impact doesn't just disappear. It fundamentally changes the trajectory of someone's life. By becoming an advisor on SideKix, you get to stay sharp, join a community of builders, and cement your legacy by ensuring no one has to figure it out the hard way.